Flowise versus Langgraph, Best Automation Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Flowise and Langgraph to help you decide which automation tool is best for you in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Flowise is a drag and drop platform designed for building LLM applications, whereas Langgraph is a programmatic framework built for complex multi-agent AI workflows. Over here, Flowise provides a user-friendly visual interface, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. After that, it also allows for rapid prototyping, letting users quickly build and test AI workflows. Then, it supports integration with various APIs and pre-trained models, making it flexible for different project needs. On the other hand, LangGraph is designed for structured workflows where nodes can branch, loop, and interact dynamically. Over here, it also supports multi-agent AI interactions, making it ideal for more advanced AI applications. After that, it provides fine-grained control over execution paths, memory management, and parallel processing, which is great for scalable AI systems. Then, if we talk about use cases, Flowise is best for quick deployment of AI applications and is great for non-technical teams who need an easy-to-use automation tool. Over here, LangGraph is better suited for complex AI workflows where multiple AI agents need to interact and work together. After that, if you need a simple and intuitive automation tool for rapid development, Flowise is the better option. But if you require a scalable and highly controlled workflow system, then LangGraph is the way to go. So that's the comparison between Flowise and LangGraph. That's all for this video.